Hey there, folks. Today we're going to put together a Hangman game, making use of Python and Pygame. In this little video, the start of this little tutorial series, we're going to just put together the basic structure of my little game. And yeah, I hope you follow along, and I hope you enjoy this little series. Great. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to import our Pygame. We're also going to go ahead and import random. That's the module we'll be using to randomly select the words. But once we've got that, part of the structure we're going to make use of, we'll just put a comment in here. We're going to have our Hangman button objects because we want to make use of clicks and buttons to be able to select the letters. So we're going to go ahead and use that. That's going to be put in there. The next section we're going to have our section for the utility functions. All the various functions we might make use of, which are not specific. The next section we're going to make use of will be our the Hangman drawing functions. Let's call it animation functions. Right, that'll be where we make little functions to draw all the various parts of the Hangman character or the display screen. The next section we'll make use of is our Hangman words in lists or in a list. Right, the next one we will have is well, I think it'll be our straightforward initialization of the Pygame module. The next section that we'll have game settings. The next little part of our structure will be the display initialization. The next section we'll go on to in our functions, we'll have our game variables and load functions. And then the last section we'll have is our game loop. Alright, so that'll be the basic structure of this project that we will be following. I think while we're in this video and we're going to create our little Hangman game, I think we should go ahead and start off by putting in the basics for our Pygame. The straightforward basic items for running Pygame, which is straightforward, the main game loop, the Pygame inits and things like that. So let's go ahead and do that. So here under our Pygame initialization of the Pygame module, we're going to go Pygame init. Under our game settings, we want not game settings, display. We're going to go with Pygame let's go ahead and our variable game screen, which will be Pygame display set mode, and that'll be screen width, screen height. Alright, of course we haven't created those variables, so let's go ahead and create those variables now quickly. Screen width will be, I think we're going to go with 800, and screen height will be 640. That's pretty straightforward. Screen width, screen height. Game screen display.set mode. Okay. Directly underneath that one, we're going to go with Pygame.display display.set caption, and we're going to call it Hangman. Right. The next thing we're going to go ahead now is let's go down to our main game loop. So we've actually got something being displayed to the screen. So we'll start off with run is equal to true, and then while run is equal to true, we'll have our module, our Pygame running. The first one we're going to go ahead and call is game screen dot fill So basically we want to run a straightforward black background. To do that, we're just going to call full screen with the black color. Okay, once we've done the game screen, we just want to hand a little section here for Pygame event handling. Under event handling, we're going to go for event in Pygame.event.get. If event.type is equal to Pygame.quit, we're going to say run will then be equal to false. No, that run must be capitals, I think. Run will then equal to false. And once run is equal to false, before we carry on, part of our main game loop, we must just always remember to include pygame.display.update. Right, and once we've broken out of our main game loop, we're going to pygame.get. Alright, so that would result in our first section of this video. I think if we run play on this module now, we should end up getting this game screen. We have Hangman, little anaconda or Python. We have a straightforward plain black background, nothing is happening. If we hit the X button, the game should exit, which it does, and our code finishes at the end. Yeah. That's fantastic. Let me just increase that there. Let me just add a little comment here. Update the display screen. Okay, we made handling. Fill the screen with black. Cool. Main game running. Well, okay. We've got everything running at the moment. Right, that's our basic structure set up for our Hangman game. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to include the Hangman, the word list, and how to open that file, and a function to open the file and sort the words into a list. And then we will also include a couple of other functions. I hope you joined us for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope it was easy enough to follow along, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.